So in Puerto Viejo you have two types of beach. You have narrow beach like this, really close to the road, and the road is just there, little sand, and then the beautiful beach. And then you have the huge beach with a lot of space between the sea and the road, really big. Even you can rent a surfboard. I will try to walk to that place because it's quite a bit of walk. I mean, it's maybe half an hour walk from here. I don't know if today I have the force and the courage to walk to that place. But you have two types of beach, understand? So you can vary the pleasure. You have also those huge forests with hiking trail. I saw there is an hiking trail called cacao something, maybe it's cacao plantation. So that's something you can do here. So there is a few things to see and a few things to do. I've seen some tour companies selling activities, snorkeling, sea-type activity, and some other stuff. So if you're into those kind of things, you will have them here. I think, so that's the tour company office. Let's see what they have to offer. So I see some type of kayak here. So yeah, they have kayak. So kayak, diving, snorkeling, seeing the animal, turtle expedition. So yeah, we're around here. The surfing beach I told you is there. So that's a long, that's a big coast. I've been maximum around here. I've not, to be honest with you, I've not explored a lot. So yesterday I went to eat in that restaurant. I don't recommend you eat at that restaurant. I had a burrito, and it was some kind of a fake burrito. It was not even like a real burrito. But I still had to pay it. I paid $18. That's the most expensive burrito I had in my entire life. I swear, I never had a burrito so expensive like this, and even didn't taste like a burrito. It wasn't even that good. But I have to say, I also bought a bottle of sparkling water. Perhaps the high price is coming from the sparkling water. So I will try to walk to that other beach, and that will be a good walk for today. But I will not film everything, because that road, it's so you take that road. You take that road, and maybe in 20-25 minutes you will arrive at the other beach. So I arrived in that huge beach I told you. There at the end you can see, you can buy some, you can rent some surfboard, It's a large beach, a lot of sand, a lot of space, really quiet, no store, no restaurant, nobody will come here to sell you anything. That's what I like about Costa Rica. It's really quite a chill. Nobody try to pitch you and sell you anything. And it's really a great place to come here to relax. If you pass those three, there is a coffee place in the jungle surrounded by the forest. I may go there when I finish here. So it will be a nice way to have a good time during this afternoon. I am at the beach and some girl gave me this flyer for a party at Selina. Selina is a huge hotel there. It will be live reggae music. So there is cool nightlife here in Puerto Viejo. It has everything. So I am in that coffee place I told you about earlier. I am having a muffin and an iced latte and I am paying $9 for this. It's quite a lot actually, and yesterday I had a burrito, and the burrito, I paid the burrito $18 with a bottle of sparkling water, and that's a lot. Food here in Puerto Viejo are quite, you will pay, it's not cheap, the food is not cheap here. I found hotel to be quite expensive in Puerto Viejo. The idea that the Caribbean side is cheaper is not true at all. Actually, I find it more expensive than the Pacific side. At least as a tourist, as a traveler, as a holiday maker, there is no way this is cheap around here. Everything is quite expensive. I mean, everything from transportation, food, accommodation, and probably the tour. I didn't check the tour because the tour are generally quite high price here, so I give up on that. So yeah, when you go to Puerto Viejo, I recommend you come here. It's really nice to chill and relax, but be mindful of the cost. I mean, you need to know that.